Why people cheat and what couples should do about it. Infidelity is a common problem in romantic relationships, and it can be devastating for both partners involved. The reasons why people cheat are complex and varied, but understanding them can be helpful in preventing infidelity from occurring and dealing with it if it does. One reason people cheat is dissatisfaction with their current relationship. This may be due to a lack of emotional or physical intimacy, feeling unappreciated, or not having their needs met. In these cases, the cheater may seek out someone who can provide the attention and validation they crave. Another reason people cheat is the thrill of the chase. Some individuals may enjoy the excitement and risk involved in pursuing someone new, even if they have no intention of leaving their current relationship. They may also be seeking validation or an ego boost from the attention of another person. In some cases, cheating may be a result of underlying emotional or psychological issues. Individuals who struggle with addiction, depression, or low self-esteem may be more prone to infidelity as a way to cope with their problems or escape their reality. Whatever the reason for infidelity, it can be devastating for the betrayed partner. However, there are steps that couples can take to prevent cheating from occurring and to deal with it if it does. First and foremost, communication is key. Couples should make an effort to talk openly and honestly about their needs, desires, and concerns. This can help to prevent feelings of dissatisfaction from festering and leading to infidelity. Additionally, couples should make a conscious effort to prioritize their relationship. This may mean scheduling regular date nights, expressing appreciation and gratitude for one another, and finding ways to keep the spark alive. If infidelity does occur, it is important for both partners to seek professional help. This may involve individual counseling to address any underlying issues, as well as couples therapy to work through the betrayal and rebuild trust. Ultimately, preventing infidelity requires a combination of self-awareness, communication, and commitment to the relationship. By understanding why people cheat and taking proactive steps to prevent it, couples can build stronger, healthier, and more fulfilling relationships. Don't forget to like, follow and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Link is in my bio.